Is everything all right?
No, Tori. I'm afraid it's not.
Yeah, you don't look so hot. I mean, no offense.
None taken, Dustin.
So what's up?
He's back. Lothor is back.
Wait, Lothor can't be back.
Yeah, no way.
We saw him disappear into the abyss of evil.
If Lothor's really back, how are we gonna fight him with no powers?
Cam has been saving these for just such an occasion. Shane, Tori, Dustin, it is with a heavy heart that I must give you your new wind morphers. A dark cloud has descended upon us, and it is time for you to resume your duties as Power Rangers.
We won't let you down, Sensei. Let's do it!
Well, how do you feel?
That Blue Bay Harbor must be destroyed.
Why stop there? I want the whole country.
And then the world.
That's what I was hoping you'd say. I never thought I'd say this, but it's a pleasure to see y'all.
And it's our pleasure to serve unto you.
Music to my ears.